Saying that secrecy has no place in this time and age, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said RTI process should follow 3T mantra of timely, transparent and trouble-free access to information to people. Speaking at the 10th Annual Convention of Central Information Commission, Prime Minister Modi noted that Right to Information Act has given the common man the right to question those in power and stressed on bringing transparency proactively, saying the faster we move towards transparency, the stronger will be the faith of people in democracy.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that RTI is not only an effective tool to get the information but can be a rather powerful medium for highlighting the drawback of the system. Inaugurating the 10th Annual Convention of the Central Information Commission, PM Modi emphasized the importance of the RTI Act, especially for the common man, and stressed that ever-changing time and situation do not warrant too much secrecy in government's affairs. Prime Minister said that common man will benefit from a more open and less secretive administration. He also said that RTI is helpful in evaluating various government policies.
सामान्य से सामान्य व्यक्ति को जानने का अधिकार हो, लेकिन वहां सीमित न हो, उसे सत्ता को क्वेश्चन करने का भी अधिकार हो, और यही लोकतंत्र की बुनियाद है.
Giving example of how online auctions in coal blocks, spectrum and FM services allocation have helped curb corruption and brought in transparency, Prime Minister said that if government agencies and departments decide to go online with their work, RTI will not be required for most common queries. Prime Minister also stressed that RTI replies should be time-bound and should be used to bring in valuable changes in the governance models. He asked government departments to keep in mind 3 T's: timeliness, transparency and trouble-free approach while replying to RTI applications.
इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस करने की जो प्रक्रिया है वो एक तो ट्रांसपेरेंट होनी चाहिए, टाइमली होनी चाहिए एंड ट्रबल फ्री होनी चाहिए.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley described the RTI law as an ideal piece of legislature, but also had a word of caution when he said that it should be seen whether RTI is being filed for a solution to a problem or for some other ulterior reasons.
Where do we then draw the line between public conduct and privacy of an individual? Those who administer this act will have to exercise that discretion itself adequately. Where is it that information is being used for empowerment, to avoid harassment, for the benefit of the small man, or is it merely being used by some busybodies for collateral purposes?
RTI Act was passed in 2005 by the Parliament. Civil society had struggled long for the legal option to get information from the government offices. In the past decade, RTI has been immensely helpful in bringing out corruption issues, putting an end to a secretive atmosphere in the government offices. Often credited with bringing in much more transparency, the flip side of this coin has also been debated when RTI has been used as a tool to further ulterior motives. So Prime Minister Modi's idea of putting everything online is a credible option, as RTI won't be required for the information already put into the public domain. With Sudhakar Das in Delhi, Newsnight Bureau, DD News.